What's happening, everyone? How's it going? So today we're going to open some stuff up. Though I will show you what I've gotten over the past week, which isn't much. Last Tuesday, I did pick up this Nissan Silvia Drift at a bookstore called Books A Million, which was surprising because they've never really had Hot Wheels there. So it's pretty cool to have found that there. So found that in an unexpected place. And then this past Saturday after work at Walmart, got the Volkswagen Beetle from the Transformers set. There were just 3 of those hanging there, so maybe someone returned them or someone's stash was found or something. But I got that. The cool little rust effect on there. So I picked that up. And then today, found the 70 Honda N600 from the Crackin Neon Speeder set, and we're going to go ahead and open this up. So there's just 2 of these and some of the Mini Coopers, which, as you saw, I already have one of those. So we got this custom 70 Honda N600. There's a little bee on there and the moon eyes. We got the back there, tail lights, license plate, headlights. So full deco all around. So pretty cool. Got that. So that's the only 2 cars I have thus far from the latest Neon Speeders set. Then next we will open up Mopar 5-pack, which surprised pretty sure I thought I had this open already, but I guess I did not. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. I'll go from the top here. Boy, I can still go ahead and throw it all back in there afterwards. So we got the Dodge Challenger. Or actually, this is the Charger. This is the Daytona right here. Obviously, it says Daytona right on there. Chrome base. Bigger fat wheels on the back to the front. It's a very nice red on there. Very smooth roller. Cool. Then we got the Dodge Challenger 2008. Cool. The front. Side view there. Mopar. Some blue wheels. Nothing on the back. But pretty nice. Pretty good roll. Now we have the Little Red Express truck. Yellow. The tinted blue windshield on there. So it looks pretty good. No front or back on the headlights there, but we do have all the graphics on the side there. Got that. Partially, a little bit of metal on the back there. Another pretty smooth roller. And next in that pack, this is the 1970 Challenger. So we got that engine sticking out. Like a dark gray with the orange and white. Yeah, so there you have that one. And then lastly, we have the Dodge Viper. Pretty decent looking shade of blue on here. One's like really fattened up. So there we got that. Definitely a smooth roller. Nice smooth roller for sure on there. So there you have it for the 5-pack. Hot Wheels Mopar 5-pack, and from looking from the top, you can go ahead and put it right back in there with ease. Still be able to display it. So I'll still stand it up somewhere for display. And then next, we are going to open up this Johnny Lightning 2013 Chevy Camaro ZL1. It's from a Muscle Cars series. So, die-cast metal body and chassis, authentic factory colors, highly detailed, scaled replica car. Says limited edition, doesn't really say any like limited number on there or anything like some of these would. So how limited it is, who knows really. But it's got these really nice tires on there, and these are rubber tires as well. Got the tail lights, Chevy logo, license plate on the back there. And this part here is plastic. This would be like this would be like a convertible. So that's the kind of top it has on there. Which, oh yes, this comes off. This can come off. I won't try to take the whole thing off right here, but as you can see already, it's going to turn into a convertible. There's a nice bucket seats in the front there. Kind of see the interior there a little bit. Or maybe this wasn't supposed to. Maybe I might have just broke that. Oh well. And there's the front. Pretty good looking. Maybe this wasn't supposed to come off of there. It sure looked like it could. Oh well. Even this is not rolling very well either. This front left tire is not moving. Yeah, these front tires aren't moving all that great. That's unfortunate. It's kind of jammed up in there. Oh, well. Make it at least a nice little just display piece, I guess. And then we're going to open up one of these cartoons. The 69 Chevy K5 Blazer. And I recently watched Diecast Media Network's latest video, and they had the guy who made this series. He was back on there again, previewing some stuff coming out, and some cool ones coming out. Anyways, here we have this. A little closer look at these. Cartoon on the back. For instance, there's a El Camino that's going to be coming out. That's a Walgreens exclusive for the next series. That looks pretty cool. So there are some new ones coming out soon. Okay, there we go. That's this is rolling now. This is rolling quite nicely. Look at those wheels rolling there. That looks cool. That is very cool indeed. Awesome. All right, that's actually kind of pretty cool. Really sparkly too. Nice. So anyways, that's all I got for y'all today. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you on the next one. And good luck to y'all out there. Bye.